Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smart bird feeder camera says the SD card isn't detected, you are probably unable to save recordings even though the camera is working normally. You may see messages like no SD card, storage unavailable, or notice that playback is completely empty. This doesn't always mean the memory card has failed. Sometimes the card isn't fully inserted, uses an unsupported format, or simply needs to be refreshed by the camera. Before buying a new SD card, there are a few simple checks that are worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps that can help your SmartBird feeder camera recognize the SD card again. 1. Remove the SD card and insert it firmly until it clicks into place. 2. Check that the card meets the camera's supported capacity and speed requirements. 3. Format the SD card using the camera app if it's detected but unreadable. 4. Restart the camera after reinstalling the memory card. 5. Test with another compatible micro SD card to rule out card failure. 6. Open the storage settings and confirm the SD card is now recognized.